Welcome to Power Techno Heat Private Limited. PAR, Fluidized Bed Combustion, often referred as FBC steam boiler. Not only a high-efficient FBC boiler, but also a reliable and maintenance-friendly FBC boiler. Injection of fuel, that is, fuel feeding. Fuel in the hopper injected to the FBC furnace bed, below the in-bed cooling tubes with the assistance of secondary fuel feed FD fan. Fuel like coal, lignite and agro waste can be injected to the FBC furnace. Rate of fuel feeding controlled by VFD of screw feeder. Fuel is fed in the furnace bed. Fluidization. You name the fuel. We fluidize it in our FBC furnace. Fluidizing air FD fan supplies high pressure air at around 140 to 160 degrees Celsius temperature to the FBC furnace through air preheater, and high pressure of air is converted into high velocity through air nozzles in the FBC furnace. High velocity air make the bed highly turbulent, and it leads to the fluidization after attaining critical velocity for fluidization. At 800 to 875 degrees Celsius temperature, the bed appears like red hot boiling liquid and exhibits liquid-like behavior. Fluidized bed combustion achieves combustion efficiency up to 95%. Heat transfer. The furnace in bed cooling tubes transfer radiant heat of the FBC furnace bed, and at the same time these tubes control the furnace temperature to avoid clinker formation. That is why these tubes are called cooling tubes. Hot flue gas from the FBC furnace moves from radiant zone to the convective zone. It passes over the bank tubes for first, second, third and fourth passes and set out to waste recovery unit, which is air preheater and economizer. Feed water pump supplies water through waste heat recovery economizer to the boiler drum. From boiler drum, water moves to convective bank tubes and radiative furnace in bed cooling tubes because of thermal gradient. Eventually, steam is formed by counter current convective and radiative heat transfer. The mixture of hot water and steam reach to the drum through riser pipes. And finally, steam is taken out of the drum through main steam valve after passing through steam purifier. Ash separation and collection. At Power Techno Heat, we do concern for clean environment. Ash hopper between second and third pass collect the ash, which is discharged through rotary ash screw before final pass. Fine ash is separated in mechanical dust collector and discharged by rotary air block valve. Finally, the induced draft fan discharges waste flue gas to the chimney. MCC and Instrumentation Control Panel. At Power Techno Heat, we provide world-class instrumentations to monitor and control the various boiler operations. Boiler MCC and Instrument Panel controls and monitor the entire boiler operation, including steam pressure, furnace temperature and draft, and drum water level, rate of fuel feeding, etc. 3 elements controls, superheater steam temperature, attemperator, auto boiler water TDS controller, etc. are provided in case of high pressure boilers. Programmable logic control panels are offered in certain cases.